everybody, myself Lakshmi Deshmukh, and in NEET 2025 I scored a total marks of 515, and in physics I scored 91 percentile. I had my physics coaching at Jahari Shape Sir Physics, and talking about Shape Sir, he's a really charismatic person. And whenever I had some doubt, since from the starting, whenever I had some doubts about any concept, any minor concept related to physics, I just used to walk to him and ask him, sir, ही डिफिकल्टी आहे हे तुम्ही कसं सांगाल. सो ही यूज टू टेल रिली लाईक ही यूज टू गिव्ह सम एक्झाम्पल्स अँड एक्सप्लेन द इवन द टीडियस कन्सेप्ट रिअली सिम्पली. So that is the quality I noticed in like every teacher should have, like even explaining a very difficult concept very simply to the students, especially I talking about myself. I'm not that good at physics really compared to the students around me. So but when I just joined the coaching, I found physics really interesting. And I still remember the days when it was some week ago, the actual NEET examination. Me and my friend just came to Shape Sir, and there was a chapter, semiconductor, and I did not study that chapter. It was very difficult for me to get the concept in my head. We actually arrived, I guess, at some 6 p.m. in the evening here, and we sat for 4 hours, if not 4, at least for 3 hours, and he explained whole chapter, like every detail of that chapter in the 3 hours. And I still remember the clock was ticking towards 10. But yeah, when I walked home, I walked like, yeah, now I got the semiconductors really well. And not only semiconductors, every chapter of mechanics, if I would say, he taught that very nicely. And talking about the test series which we hold, he actually gave us a whole combo of physics, chemistry and biology. That was actually a plus point joining. He actually told that I was like, sir, I can't score really great marks this year because I haven't done my preparations yet. But he was like, kai nahi hot, hoon jail bhi like. And I was like, okay. And after 4 to 5 days, I just walked in my examination hall. I just sat there, and when I got my physics section in my hand, I was like, okay, I can do that. And of course his words were like you can do that. And yeah, of course I did that very well compared to the level of what this year hold for the NEET examination. I think I did that much better, like even considering the tests which were hold here.